Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 4 simple steps to make Olympic rings with your LED lights. So step 1 is where you're going to mark out the circles on your board. So the board I'm using is a 30 by 20 inches and I'm using 8 inches for the diameter for each circle. Remember there's 5 circles in the Olympic rings, and I allowed for a gap of 3 inches at the top of the circle to the edge of the board and about 2 inches on both sides. So after making the holes, I push the lights through them. Again, remember my goal was to have 20 lights in each circle. So for this step, since I'm using the WS2811, which is 12 millimeter, I'm going to use a drill bit of 1/2 inch to make holes around. And what I did for the holes in the circles, I'm leaving a space of about 1.5 inches in between each hole. And step number 3, this is where you go into the Wled and do your setting. So you go into your segment, create 5 segments for each circle. Make sure you have 20 lights, 20 LED in this circles. What I did realize was I had to skip some holes, so just make sure that the holes that I skipped are well noted. So see, you're done. At this point, you just power your lights, make sure your EXP32 is powered, it's hooked up, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.